Hi and welcome to this video where I want to show you how you can save a lot of time and how I'm saving a lot of time as a video editor when it comes to certain repetitive tasks. I'm using Auto Hotkey for this, and what my problem is right now is I need to go through an entire folder and download every single element, and it has multiple pages, which is just for one video. And of course, I'm doing multiple videos a week, so this is actually quite a tedious project to download them all, because the website I'm using for the video footage, etc., it doesn't allow a download all button. So what it means is I have to painstakingly go through every single element and then not just download, but click on download, then pick a project, click app and download, and then click save, and then the next one, and then the next one, etc., etc. You can see this takes quite a lot of time and also attention, because you have to be very accurate, wait, you have to be constantly there, you know? And I want to automate like 80% of that process. So how this will look in the end after this video is I want to manually just click on the download buttons. That's it. I can even automate it further, but for the sake of keeping the video relatively short, I just want to make this one manual click and the rest is done automatically. So let me show you very quickly how you can do it. I won't go into too much explanation. It will just bore you to death, I think. So just so you have an idea, this is Auto Hotkey and this is what you can do with it to save you a bunch of time. What I'm doing here, I explain this quickly, is I'm doing image recognition. So he will recognize these circles, and he will always move the mouse to the very first one he finds on screen, which will be the top one. And then I want to click on this. That's the goal. So let me show you what this here already is doing. If I press F3, what this is doing is, let me go out. I have to start this. Okay. So if I click here and now I press F3, yeah, what the mouse does is, boom, goes there, clicks there. Perfect. And now if I press F3, he goes to the next one. See? Because this is now a different symbol, the color is different. And the mouse is above it, so he doesn't recognize the entire circle. So he jumps to the next, but now he recognized this again, so he jumps back. If I press very quickly, and both of these are animated, he actually clicks on the third one. Anyways, since I'm always opening this like that, he will always click on the very first. Oh, sorry. See? That's how fast you can do stuff like that. Now I want to loop it actually. So he will search for it, yeah, in a very short time until he finds it. And if he finds it, then click on it and then end the loop. So meaning I press F3 now. We wait, wait, wait. And when I click here, boom, he immediately finds it, does it, and then stops. So he's not spam clicking. He's just doing it once and then he breaks out of the loop. So that's how quickly you can do that. And now what I want to do is I have this, clicks there. Now I want to do, very convenient for me, by the way, is that this here is changing in color, the text and the button. So meaning after he clicked successfully, he can search for this text and then click on that. Okay. So same thing here. Text recognition, download. Now I can copy conveniently. So it's even faster the second time. Suck. Okay. Let's see what this does. I press F3, yeah? And when I click on this, pop. Okay, it doesn't happen. Why? So since it doesn't happen, we have to split. Ah, No, this should work. So I want to split test now, see exactly where the issue lies. I forgot to break it here actually. Yeah, and here as well. Anyways, okay. Let me press F4. So it actually works. This is strange. So what if I press F3? I just try it again. It does work. Why didn't it work earlier? Okay, just for clarity's sake, so you don't think this is buggy or something, I rewatched the video and I noticed what the problem was. The problem was very simple. I forgot to reload the script, basically. So after you make changes in the script, you can't just immediately expect it to apply everything you wrote there. And no, you have to reload it first. And if it's an error, you get an error message. If not, then it's applied. I just forgot to reload it, basically. Yeah, to be honest, I have no idea why it didn't work the first time. Let's do it one last time. Okay, it seems to be working. So now the last step is capture the save button. Same thing, save. Very important to give it to have this and this the same every time. So I press F3 now, yeah? And he does not find the save button, which is very strange. Ah, see? Save, save. The mouse is... I didn't... I didn't notice that. So the mouse is actually finding the save, but it's the first save on screen. He goes from left to right, so he doesn't click on this, he clicks on that. That's not a big problem though. So we have to be more precise with the capturing then. I just captured the text, which was a mistake. I should have captured the entire button then. I thought the text would be sufficient. Yeah, mistakes can happen like that, but after some time, you should get the hang of it. So this time we only need to copy actually this. And we put it in here. Yep, and this should already be sufficient. The rest of the logic is working, I think. So let's press F3. Click, click, and click. Nice. So this means that the sleep 500 were completely unnecessary. So in order to be faster, I take them out. Press F3, manually click, and the rest is done automatically. Perfect. And now I don't want to press F3 every single time manually. So we loop the entire thing. Which means, yeah, basically I don't have to press F3 every single time. I downloaded these two, yeah? So I press here. And he does his thing. Up, I press here. And he does the thing. And so on and so forth. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Can you see how much time this is already saving? It's insane. How much did it take me to program this? If you can call it programming. Some people will probably not like it if you call it that way, but yeah, 10 minutes. And it will save me definitely more than 10 minutes today. Definitely. And it's just not only the time saved. I don't know about you, how you see that, but for me, it's just the accuracy that you need to press here, there. It's tiring. And I just started my day. I don't want to be tired from something so insignificant. I need my brain power for the editing. So I don't want to waste that. It's unnecessary. And yeah, ideally, I will probably at some point take time to just make this automated. So he finds this, then the next one, the next one, the next one, then scrolls down, and so on and so forth. And once he reaches this here, he clicks on that button always and continues until yeah, the button has a different color. I can do that. So therefore automating the entire process actually. But it would probably take me another, maybe an hour. Anyways, that I hope this gives you a rough idea how helpful AHK can be, AutoHotkey, yeah? And if you want to learn more about it, just let me know what problems you have and maybe I can use that as real life examples to show stuff and make tutorials out of it. Thanks for watching. If you watched till here, leave a like and subscribe or a comment if you want to support me in any way, and have a nice day. Bye bye.